So we're actually on board now, the T28, the used one. A light coloured upholstery. See teak decks, teak trim throughout. Twin seats. You can fold down to sit or rest on the bolster, as you can see them in position there now. Beneath this seat is a fridge, and that stainless steel socket on the deck there, you can put a table which folds out, sitting between the two seats. Or this will convert into a large sun pad. Simrad chart plotter, Vitas bow thruster, optional Icon VHF, Mercury racing controls, Cormate's own trim balance system. This balances you port to starboard or forward and aft. And the Simrad display can be switched between chart mode or engine data. You can multiple choices on the screen. Very nice view forward. And in the little cabin there's a toilet to starboard, and then a storage locker to the side of that. Enough room to sleep two in the forward bunk. More storage, little sink. There's obviously lighting. Solar panel on the front of the moulding there, keeps the batteries topped up.